Good morning YouTube, and welcome to my channel Jules Craft Room. It's the 28th of April and look what just fell on my doorstep. So it's Crochet Society box 35. So let's get opening it. Right, so as you can see, it's a beautiful box. Got all these signs on it, and yeah, homemade. I just don't know what's going to be in there, but it looks lovely. So let's have a look. So crochet is cool. Well, that's nice, isn't it? That's what it says on the box. Right, so we've got this lovely green tissue paper. And we'll open it up, and wow, look at those beautiful colours. So they're both luminous and they're DK. And they're 100-gram balls. They should be, they're big enough. Yes, they're 100-gram balls. The colours aren't named, they're numbered. And you're meant to use a 2mm hook. Right. Or a 3.5 or 4mm knitting needles. So yes, we've got this lovely pink and this lovely blue. And I'm not sure what we're going to be making with that. But beautiful colours. So we'll put that up there. Right, you've also got this little bag. I might move you back a bit so you can see. So yeah, this beautiful bag, and I can feel something's in there. So let's have a look and see what's in there. So, wow, it is a crochet hook. Well, I never. So quite a big one as well. It's a 6mm one, so that is a long one. I've never seen anything like that before. And it's got a little bag to go for it to go in. So whether we're going to be using that, but it does seem rather big for this this yarn. We've also got a stitch counter. Oh, I do like that. And you pin it onto, it looks like you pin it onto something. And yeah, you can turn the dials at the side and it changes numbers. I've never seen that before, but yeah, I suppose you could pin it onto your bag, which you know that you're holding all your stuff in. But yeah, that's very colourful. There's also a sew-on patch, which says crochet is cool. So that's rather nice, isn't it? And a stitch marker. Do love a stitch marker. So there's an arrow pointing down that way. Stitch marker. And then of course there's the book. So usually there's an introduction from Sarah Jane in the beginning. Then we've got what's in the book. Looks like you can do a hat, a scarf and a table runner. Wow, that would take some go at doing table runner. I don't know if I'd do it in those colours, that's for sure. So I don't know, let's have a look and see. There's a bit on the tea and chat with the designer. There's the hat. It's using a 5mm hook. Well, I think what they gave us was a 6mm, so I'm not quite sure. Maybe you meant to use one of your other hooks. I don't think I'll be making a hat because it's getting warm now. We don't want hats, do we? Yeah, that's a Tunisian hook, but it's a 6mm, and they're telling you to use a 5mm one for the hat. Then you've got the runner, and that is that tells you to use a 6mm Tunisian hook, so you'll be able to use your hook with that. But I can't say that I like the the look of the runner, crocheted runner. I'd much prefer a fabric one. So no, that's definitely not for me. And then there is a scarf, a triangular scarf. And again, it's not really my colours, and it's the summer. Bit disappointed, must say, bit disappointed, Crochet Society, because it is April. We've had some really lovely weather. It's May in a couple of days, and I really don't want to be making hats and scarves or knit or crochet table runners. So I must say I'm a bit disappointed with that box. Yes, not one of the better boxes. The colour's beautiful, and it will make a lovely baby cardigan for one of my granddaughters, but certainly not a hat or scarf. Right, well, I hope you found that unboxing interesting. Obviously, if you want to, you'll love, some people will love the patterns, and they might want to prepare for the winter and do a hat and a scarf, but I was a bit disappointed, but that's just my personal opinion. I did like the patch, and I did like the row counter, and this is quite cute, but the patterns, not for me, not this month. Okay, well, thanks for watching, and please like and just subscribe, and please leave your comments down below. Maybe you'd like to say what you intend to make out of your box, or if you're going to make something completely different. So take care.